Hello my friends, I'm going to show you how you can propagate sugarcane. And you can buy sugarcane in the grocery store, at least some of them, and they'll come in lengths cut like this. Well, what you're going to do, each one of these nodules can start a new plant. First thing that you do is you remove excess cane. And the excess cane that you remove, you can still eat the cane. So at each one of these, I'm going to remove that chunk. And this is what you want. We have the nodule here, and that's what gets planted. So let me finish processing these. These are throwing roots. There's the nodule that will shoot the plant up. So these got a little bit of a head start, maybe. After cutting the cane, this is what we have left. This portion should be about an inch or so long, the one with the bud. And this is what's left over, the cane. Okay, now you want to plant this with the bud facing upward. And you can look at it and see which way the bud is growing. There's that line, the leaf line. The bud is on the upper side of that leaf line. So we just take these, stick them in, and in a couple weeks these will be growing. So let me show you from there. This is about 3 weeks old. Let me show you what we have. Right here you can see the roots coming out. This is ready to be repotted. So we're going to move this into a larger container. And at this point it could go directly into the ground. I'm going to let it get a little bigger before I put it in. What to do with the cane, what some people do. My son worked at a health food luncheon restaurant. They would cut the cane into a stir stick, and they used this with their smoothies. And when you're done with it, you can chew on the stick, and the fiber you may not want to eat, but it's very sweet. It's a nice treat. And of course they're using longer pieces. These are left over from cutting the buds for planting, but they would leave a longer stick after they would peel the outer bark off. You have the real sweet pulp inside, and makes a real nice treat. Well, I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.